Hello my fellow composers and welcome to The Composing Cook. Okay, I think we need to make ourselves a little salad. Now Aaron actually came up with this the other day.
I'm a genius.
Yes, isn't he just a genius? Basically, we are calling it a honey and mint salad. In this bowl, we've got 1 tablespoon of honey. I've already poured it out. And to that, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of mint sauce. Salt, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pepper. Stir it. And that is your dressing. How easy is that? Now, what to put in it? It's your salad, you can put whatever you want in it, but this is what we're putting in it. I've got some lettuce. Throw that in. You come a bit closer, Aaron, this side. Lettuce. Cut up cucumber. Chopped up pepper, about half a pepper. Tomatoes. Celery and gherkin, and some carrot. That's what we're having in our salad. You can put whatever you want in your salad. Here's your salad, which I will actually mix up now with my hands. Easiest getting with your hands. And that is your lovely salad. Doesn't that look tasty? You can actually smell the mint coming with that as well. It's really nice. Make it, enjoy it, you will love it. If you've enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell notification button, and please leave any comments, and if you have any questions, leave them below and I will answer them for you. So take care, happy cooking my fellow composers, and I will see you soon. Lots of love.
So I gotta get it right.